I just love the gangstalking program. Because if it wasn't for that, what would I be doing right now? Oh yeah, let me think. I'd be at home, watching over my mouth drooling little brats, while I homeschool them, quote unquote. And then, I gotta wait for Bobby to come in the door at 5 p.m. and have dinner on the table, or he's gonna beat my ass. But if it wasn't for this, I'd have to be home dealing with that now. This gives me an excuse to get out of the house and not have to deal with my inbred husband, brother, and nephew, sons, and daughters.
Man, what do you mean you found a condom on the bed? That wasn't my condom. I don't know whose condom it was, but I'm telling you, I ain't fucking nobody else, I'm fucking you.
Oh, I know, we can play a game. Let's play. How many puffs will it take for me to get throat cancer?
Damn, my wife interrupted me while I'm playing Pokemon Go.
Man, sitting on a bench and smoking a cigarette and watching people is hard work. I don't give a fuck what anybody says. I got blisters on my ass right now. Just from sitting here watching this fucker.